ka ba? Are you really breaking up with me?
No, Bill! Of course not!
Then bakit mo sinabi na...
Para tantanan na tayo ni Ate Brens. I'm sorry, Bill. Alam ko, nasaktan ka sa sinabi ko sa'yo last time. Pero that's the only way na... Natigilan tayo ni Ate Brens. I just want peace of mind for all of us.
But don't you think lalo natin sisirain yung tiwala niya sa atin? She will find out sooner or later. We will have to tell her the truth eventually.
Alam ko. But right now is not the best time. I promise. Sasabihin ko din sa kanya. But, Bill, just give me more time. Kung sa tingin kong ready na siya. Pero sa ngayon, we need to pretend that we're not seeing each other muna. Please.